Hello folks, this is Aitan Ajha from InspireToRise.com, and today we are going to compare the OnePlus 2 versus the Zenfone 2 Deluxe, the ZE551ML, the code for the Zenfone 2. The back finish on both of these smartphones is great. The back finish on the OnePlus 2 is the sandstone black, while that on the Zenfone 2 Deluxe is a polygonal cut which features a really nice 3D texture on the back which feels really great and changes colors when you view it from different angles. Both of these smartphones are based in their own price range and provide very great value for money and have really powerful hardware. So let us just compare in terms of colors. In terms of colors, the OnePlus 2 is right now available only in sandstone black color and is available for changing those colors, and you can just change the back covers, while the Zenfone 2 is available in osmium black, sheer gold, glacier gray, glamour red and ceramic white color. Both of these smartphones are okay enough. In terms of weight, the OnePlus 2 is a little bit heavier at 175 grams, while the Zenfone 2 weighs around 170 grams. Right now we will test the Antutu benchmark on both of these devices. Both of these devices are 4G enabled and support category 4 LTE, while the Zenfone 2 supports a little bit more number of band, but the OnePlus 2 also supports almost all of the bands available worldwide. The OnePlus 2 has extra features like the metal frame, which feels really great, and the fingerprint sensor, which is not there on the Zenfone 2. The operating system on both of these smartphones, when compared, the OnePlus 2 comes with stock and almost stock Android feel, Oxygen OS, Android 5.1.1, and when it comes to what's under the hood, the Zenfone 2 comes with quad-core 2.3 GHz Intel Atom Z3580 processor, while the OnePlus 2 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 chipset, which has two quad-core processors. So right now the benchmark is running. The Zenfone 2 is able to manage up to 30 FPS, 30 to 33 FPS, which is really great enough for the Antutu benchmark. And the RAM on both of these smartphones is 4 gigabytes because we have the 64 GB Zenfone 2 Deluxe variant. And let us just see the OnePlus 2 also. The OnePlus 2 was able to manage between 30 to 40 frames per second on the 122 benchmark, and internal memory on both of these smartphones is 64 GB. The Zenfone 2 is also available in 16 gigabytes and 32 gigabyte variants, and external memory is only supported on the Zenfone 2 micro SD up to 64 gigabytes. So the score on the OnePlus 2 is considerably higher than that on the Zenfone 2, but still the Zenfone 2 also has a good score of around 48993, the Zenfone 2 Deluxe, while the OnePlus 2 has a score of around 55317, which is really good. And the display on both of these smartphones is great, but the OnePlus 2 has a Corning Gorilla Glass 4 display, which is considerably tougher than the Gorilla Glass 3. And in terms of overall color reproduction also, the OnePlus 2 features deeper colors and has a 5.5-inch display, which is the same as that of the Zenfone 2. And the display resolution is same on both of these devices, 1080p. And the camera on both of these smartphones is 13 megapixels. Temperature right now on both of these smartphones is not that high. It is high but not that high, bearable, up to a bearable extent. Let us just compare something else. The battery on both of these smartphones, the battery on the OnePlus 2 is a little bit higher at 3300 mAh, while that on the Zenfone 2 Deluxe is 3000 mAh. And let us just play the game Asphalt 8, and we will not play it, we will just keep it side by side to see how does the performance occur. So we have just fast forwarded through all of this stuff, and apart from all of this, the both of these smartphones are great enough, work great enough. When it comes to sensors, both of these smartphones have accelerometer, proximity sensor, multi-touch is also supported on both of these smartphones, as both of them are modern smartphones. So the game has begun right now, and we are just seeing that initially we had given the direction wrong on the OnePlus 2, so it is scratching the car all over. Really nice test for the graphics though. On the Zenfone 2 we are just getting wrecked over from time to time. So it's just going on, the whole thing is just going on. There is no stutter or lag on both of these smartphones, as both are beasts in their own respective categories, and both have really great performance when it comes to really performing that way. And it is just going on right now. So let us just move forward and show you some other stuff about both of these phones. So let us just compare something else. We will just open few more applications to just make sure that the RAM on both of these devices gets used up, so we can see whether in actual real world scenario the overall usage is not that the overall usage is taken into account, so that overall performance can be tested of both of these phones. So let us just do something else. We will run a song on both of these smartphones to test the whole volume and audio clarity of both of these phones. OnePlus 2 versus the Zenfone 2. The Zenfone 2 has a speaker on the back, while the OnePlus 2 features a speaker on the below bottom grill. So let us just play these songs without wasting much time. So as was visible, the sound profile was balanced on almost both of these smartphones. Even while keeping it on a flat surface, the Zenfone 2 didn't get a muffled sound. Let us just compare the camera on both of these devices. The camera on both of these devices is a 13 megapixel back camera, and both of these devices have dual LED flash, while the OnePlus 2 has some better features like the optical image stabilization and the laser autofocus. The Zenfone 2 Deluxe also has a really great camera in terms of overall color saturation. The selfie camera, the 5 megapixel front camera on the Zenfone 2 really takes better shots as compared to the OnePlus 2. It's almost a hairline difference between both of these smartphones when it comes to the images taken. This was a panorama shot taken on the OnePlus 2, which came out really clear, and apart from that, the whole dynamic range of the phone, the OnePlus 2, is really good. So this is the similar shot taken on both smartphones. The Zenfone 2 has the night mode, which really makes sure that even in very dimly lit conditions you get a really proper photograph. Though the colors are not true to life, but still the overall clarity was great on the Zenfone 2 Deluxe. And let us just move forward and show some more things. There is a feature on the OnePlus 2 known as the clear shot, which combines a lot of images of the similar scene and then gives you a final image which is really clear. The selfie camera also on the OnePlus 2 is really great. Beautification feature is available on both of these front cameras. So here is the picture in which there is really no noise in that area between the leaves where there is darkness. So that's really good dynamic range on the OnePlus 2 camera. So both of these smartphones have better cameras, while the OnePlus 2 would score a little bit more on our tests because of the fact that you just have to take out the camera, not fiddle with much settings, and you would get a better image as compared to the Zenfone 2. Manual mode is supported on both of these smartphones. After the Oxygen OS 2.1.0 update, the OnePlus 2 got the support for manual mode also. So both of these smartphones are comparable in almost what they do. And apart from all of this, the phones support Wi-Fi. The Zenfone 2 supports Wi-Fi on Wi-Fi Direct also. The on OnePlus 2 also supports Wi-Fi Direct, while the OnePlus 2 supports Wi-Fi on 2.4 and 5 GHz, which is somewhat little bit more. In terms of overall design, the OnePlus 2 as well as the Asus Zenfone 2 Deluxe both look really great in hand, while the OnePlus 2 feels a little bit more premium with its metallic finish, and the pricing is almost similar for both of these smartphones, around 25,000 rupees. The higher priced variant of the Zenfone 2 128GB is around 30,000 rupees. But still, when it comes to the overall performance and everything, we would consider the OnePlus 2 a winner because of the fact that it does almost everything, and because of the fact that it looks much more premium than the Zenfone 2 Deluxe. And when it boils down to performance also, the OnePlus 2 is better than the Zenfone 2 Deluxe in most aspects. When it comes to overheating, the Zenfone 2 Deluxe does manage to get a little bit better in that aspect than the OnePlus 2. In terms of overall design, as you can see, the OnePlus 2 looks much better, while the Zenfone 2 is a little bit thinner. So guys, this was all for our Asus Zenfone 2 Deluxe versus the OnePlus 2 comparison. In case you like this video, then don't forget to hit like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So guys, this is Aditya Najja from InspiredToRise.com signing off. Stay inspired to rise.